Good evening. Good evening, my friends and families. Greetings to you from all over the world. Good morning, good evening, anywhere you are, good day. I'm here to answer so many questions as many people are asking me about this product called STC 30. About this product, STC 30. So many people are asking me questions about it. So I'm here to answer your questions in a way that so many will understand. Someone asked me, what is STC 30? STC 30 stands for Stem Cell Total Care. You have this product at your doorstep because this product, if you are to go to have treatment for any stem cell therapy in the US, in the UK, you pay thousands of dollars for it. Instead, you have it at your fingertip. So it is something to really be curious about. STC 30 takes care of the whole body system. Someone asked me, is it natural? Yes, it is a natural product. It is made up of plant stem cells. Plant stem cell. That is what it is made up of. And someone asked me, does it have any side effects? STC 30 does not have any side effects. This company have placed a huge amount of compensation for anyone that have started taking this supplement and develop any side effect from it. The company, for those of you who are distributors, you know that the company plays amount of $1 million on it. If you are taking this product and you develop any side effect, and your doctors ascertain that the side effect is due to this product, then the company will pay you a compensation of $1 million. Just imagine, you will be $1 million richer if you develop any side effect from this product. So for a company to place a $1 million compensation for a product, that means the product worth it. The product is working. There is no human being on earth that has placed that high amount of compensation for the product they are producing. This is not a chemical produced product. It is a natural based plant stem cell product. Then someone asked me, can children take it? Children that are under the age of 12 can take half of the sachet of this product. The mother or the father opens the sachet, instruct the child what to do, raise your tongue, pour it under the tongue, tell the child to hold it for 10 minutes for it to dissolve under the tongue before drinking water. Then the remaining half, the mother or the father can take it. You don't need to store it in the fridge. You don't need to be economical with it. As you open it, you give your child who is under the age of 12 half, then you, the parent, will take the remaining half immediately. You don't need to store it thinking that with that you are going to save it for the next day. No. Then if the child is from 12 years above, the child can take a full sachet of it, following the instructions of the parents. Then one person asked me, does it interfere with medication? STC 30 does not interfere with your medications. If you are taking, the doctor have prescribed drugs for you that you are taking, for you to be on the safer side, not to tamper with that of your doctor's own, you can take the STC 30 first thing in the morning. Then wait 30 minutes before you take your normal medication along with it. You don't need to throw it away. This will speed in your healing alongside your medications. It doesn't interfere with any medication that the doctor has prescribed for you. Then because it is a sublingual supplement, you pour it under the tongue. You don't just mix it inside a cup of milk and drink, or inside a cup of water and drink. No, you pour it under the tongue, wait for 10 minutes for it to dissolve before you drink a glass of water. That is how STC-30 is taken for that person that asked the question. Then next question: does it control or manage a disease? Does STC-30 control or manage disease? The answer is no. STC-30 does not control or manage your disease. STC-30 goes into the system, detect the ailment, and flush out your disease and heals it forever. It doesn't manage your disease for you. It heals whatever that troubles the body forever. It's not that you take it and after some time the sickness will come back. No. This product, worth every penny that you spend on it. Doctors and the hospitals that are aware of this product are prescribing it. The gynecologists are prescribing it. If you are searching for a baby, this product will help you, yes, to conceive faster. If you are a woman, you don't see your menstruation have ceased for long. When you are on this product, your period will be regulated. Your period will come out because it regulates the pituitary gland. It helps you to correct your thyroid. If you know anybody who is passing through a stress of leukemia, because leukemia is killing people every time. If you do not see anyone to transplant bone marrow for you, the story is a sad one. You see young people dying from leukemia. You don't need to die anymore from leukemia. This simple product here will help you to recover from leukemia. If you are in that situation now, you are upon medication, stress yourself no more. Get STC-30. This product that so many of you will commonize, it is what every home need. Yes, because healthcare products are expensive. If you go to only do ultrasound, you know how much you pay. Instead of spending those amounts of money in buying heavy drugs, invest on STC-30. You have anyone who is suffering from this kind of multiple fibroids, get this one. It will help you to eliminate the fibroids. Osteosclerosis, this product will help you to heal it, to help you to cure it. Don't look down on this product. STC-30, God has given the scientists wisdom to produce this, and it's now at our fingertips. You have nothing to worry about. Yes, those of you who have tried this product, you can testify to it. There is a lady who was to go for operation, and the husband was looking for money to pay for this operation. As God will have it, he ran into somebody that told him about this product for the wife. The man was reluctant at first, but he later gave it a second thought and get it. Only 1 week into this product, the situation improved. The lady went to the hospital to go and do the operation, but what the doctor did was like, he ran another test on it before the operation would be carried out. As the doctor tested her, he said, your body has taken shape. You don't need this operation anymore. The husband have saved the money for the operation because of STC 30, guys. Anyone who is having BP that you know, your old parents who are in Africa, all over the place, my people, don't be stingy to your own parents. Buy this thing for them, because many of them are passing through one thing or the other. They are just bearing pains. One day the pain will go. Some of them have infection. Some of them have pain in the waist, pain in the back, because of the stress of taking care of us when we were younger. So now that they are aged, suffering from one kind of ailment or the other, it is your turn to do for them. Don't be stingy to your own parents. Instead of you to send money for burial, send your mother this thing, send your father this thing. They will pray for you. Your life will be longer. Don't be stingy to them. STC 30 will save you a lot of money. Anyone that his parents or his brother, uncle is having stroke, please buy this product. The person will recover from the stroke. Anyone who is having thyroid issue, this one will help the person to recover fast. It is not a joke, my people. If you have done IVF upon IVF, you have lose hope of not conceiving, why not give STC 30 a try? Yes, why not give it a try? If you are having heart issues, why not give STC 30 a try? If you are having low sperm count, many of us women, many of you, your husbands are having issues with low sperm count. Because of shame, you can't talk. You have drink all the agbo on the surface of the earth. It's not working. Guys, try this. When you're on this product, the sperm count will elevate. It will resolve that issue permanently for you. You have nothing to lose for trying it out. After all, when the doctor prescribes drugs for you, you don't become scientist overnight. You take it and go and sleep. And this product is coming to you on a platter of gold. You turn your face on the other side. No, don't turn your face. It is your miracle on the way, because it's a revolutionary product that is changing life. It is a scientific proven fact that this product is working. Who is having weak erection, get it. You will be the one disturbing your wife now all the time. That babe, come on, it is time. Because this product will wake your manhood up. It is not a joke. Yes. Whoever is having cancer, breast cancer, a lump in the breast, that is saying, it will go. Get this product to save your health first, as I always say. This product will help you to met out the fibroids, to help you to met out the lumps in the breast, cancer, leukemia. Name them. This product, yes, it is. Who is suffering from body pain, chest pain, having itching in the body, sexual transmitted disease, this product will help you to remove them. Even they might have told you nothing is wrong with you, you are fine, you have done scan. Why not give this a product a try, instead of bearing the pain in silence? Don't bear any pain in silence. Your life worth every penny you spend on it. You acquire property for you to enjoy them in good health. So if you feel any kind of discomfort in your body, get it. If you have lots of pimples in your face, that is hormonal imbalance. Get it. It will balance it for you. To clear off your pimples, you have used all the soap or the makeup to cover up. It's not working. Get STC 30 and say goodbye to that issue. Yeah. Say goodbye to it forever. Then, if the doctor have told you there is no hope, the STC 30 will give you the hope. It is not God, but it is God-inspired product to bring joy and peace to our doorstep. It is not expensive. From now till January, promo on this product. 60 euros per one. 60 euro per pack. In a pack, you have 15 sachets inside. Small but mighty. Yes, guys. And then if you are strong, you are not feeling sick, you can also be using it. It does not mean that it is only those who are sick that needs it. Some people feel heavy headache. The headache they will every day they must drink one painkiller. Get this product, it will solve that problem for you. Before they tell you that it's your mama that is worrying you, na lie. Your papa they worry you, na lie. Get this thing and resolve that issue and leave your mommy and your daddy alone. If they wanted to kill you since when you were inside the belly, they forgot about you. Not when you don't grow, now they want to kill you. Get this product. The person you know is having tumor of any kind, get this product. Show am the road. Not close your mouth. They will pray for you. They will be very grateful that God used you to show them road. Who have done any type of operation before and see pains, get it. Whoever is suffering from pie, get this product and the pie will be a thing of the past. Those who are having serious fallopian tubes, they can't conceive, low sperm count, get this product. This product will work for you. I put my face on it because I know it is working. Those of you that love beautiful skin, it is not cream that will give you the beautiful skin. STC 30 will give you a very beautiful skin because it will cleanse you from in and out. People must surely see the evidence that you are taking STC 30. Guys, all of you who are just joining me now, thank you and welcome to this little presentation. God bless you all for joining me. So, as I said before, this product, recommend it for your loved ones. After you have prayed and prayed, the situation is not going away. You have drank painkiller upon painkiller, the thing is not going away. Try STC 30 and go to church and give testimony that God have healed you. Yes. Start taking STC 30. Don't be stingy to yourself. It is only 60 euros now because there is promo now. Yes, so get it now. Now that there is promo, before it was 70 euros, but now we get it from now till first week of January. You get it at the price of 60 euros. So get yours. You will not regret for trying out this product. It is not only those who are sick, those who are having short sightedness, they can't see far, they can't see near. Get this product. It will remove the eye defects. To remove those who find it difficult to read without glasses, or you are using glasses just for no reason, all of a sudden your eye became dim. It will help you to correct the eye defects. STC 30 will correct your eye defects. It will heal of glaucoma. Anyone you know is having glaucoma, can't see, introduce them to this product. The glaucoma will be a thing of the past. The person will see again. Yes, those who are born with blindness, when they start taking this product, they will recover. Those who are suffered from stroke, this product will treat them, they will recover. Those who are having hypertension, it will treat them, they will recover. It will flush out disease, trace the disease, resolve it, and solve the unknown. And you will have your health back. Waist pain, no, chest pain, no, body pain of any kind. Get this. You will be happy you did. As you are taking care of family and friends, it is still good you take care of yourself. It is still good you take care of your old ones, your aged ones. Give them infection, sexual transmitted disease, gonorrhea, goiter. Get this, it will heal it. God will use it to flush it out for you. A trial will give you, will convince you. So my people, anyone with stomach ulcer, don't commonize this one. No, stomach ulcer will be a thing of the past. Anyone with gastrointestinal disease, this one will heal it. Anyone with colon cancer, get STC 30. Super Life product is changing lives. So it is not because people are money hungry, for the fact that you give me feedback that this product work for you. That one is more than money. It gives me satisfaction. So get your own and let your cells be happy, because it works right from your cells. Deals with them any kind of thing that is not supposed to be there and flushes them out. What you're supposed to use $10,000 to $8,000 to get, this one will do it for you. I don't want to be writing rest in peace. I be just small leg just pain am o, just for I don't want to be writing rest in peace for anybody o. Save your head o. God bring this product to your way, you are lucky. Get your own. Instead of you to say I be dey sick o, na one small fever. If you even complain say your parents get fever, buy am give them. Make we no dey write rest in peace for anybody. We know say person must die one day, but you will live to the day that God say you should live. Don't stingy to yourself so tey you can't die before your time. Those who are having ovarian cyst, endometriosis, get this thing. It will flush them out and save you from menstrual cramp, menstrual pain that you think that is one wish that is worrying you. No, get it and solve your problem and be happy again. Yes, so this is what I come here to tell my people. God bless you all for coming in. Recommend this for your friend and your family, your loved ones, your children, any of them that is having health challenges. If you just want to keep them fit, boost their immune system for this time of COVID, get STC30. It will help you. If you are looking for the fruit of the womb, get it, and God will use this product to work magic for you, because it's already working magic on its own, but I can't keep God aside. So get it. Don't be shy. If your husband is, you don't need to even tell me what you are having. Just call me and say I need 2 pack. Don't even disclose your illness to anyone. Get it and use it. When you have received your miracle, out of the joy you decide to share with all of us, then you can now say, this is what I was having. No, but being on this product, the problem is solved. That is when we all follow you to dance to church to rejoice with you. So please, don't be stingy to yourself. Money is meant to be spent on what matters. So this thing matter, it matters a lot. Please, it is not a scam, it is not a joke, it is life. So thank you all for coming. Do have a nice day. God bless you all. Much love from this side. Thank you. Any questions, any information you want to know more, please feel free to call me and I will be glad to answer more of your questions. STC30, get yours. Is in bonanza now. Discount is on. Thank you.